are you? And in today's video I am going to tell you how you can use the find and replace feature in MS Word and the picture feature, ClipArt, table, grips, SmartArt, chart, screenshot and header and photos feature. So let's get started. First I have to type some paragraphs. I know a command to type paragraphs. You have to type rand and bracket open. You have to type how many paragraphs you need. I need 25 and enter. You can see automatically paragraphs appear. And now I am going to use the find and replace feature. Find and replace feature is used when I want to find any word in the document, and replace feature is used when I want to replace the word with the word I have to replace. So first I will show you how to use the find feature. You have to click on find. You can see the find window appears and you have to type the word you want to find. I want to find the. You can see all the words with the have been appeared highlighted. You can see how it is working, and now I am going to show how you can use the replace command. You have to click on replace and you have to type the word to be replaced. So I want to replace that to replace with you, and I have to click on replace all. You have to click on OK. Once it is replaced, you have to click on close. You can see all the words with that are replaced with you. And now I am going to show you the table command. The table command is used to draw tables when you want to show the content of your document in a table. When I click on table, it will open an insert table box drop down menu. You can select the full of the table, and it will also show a preview for the table. And you can also click on insert table, and you can set how many rows and columns you want. You see that the column limit is to 63, so I am setting is 25 and clicking on OK. You can see the table has been inserted in the Word file, and now I can type anything on the table and format it. And now I am going to tell you the picture command. The picture command is used to insert a picture in your Word document. Okay, so when you click on picture command, it will open the insert picture dialog box. You can select where your picture is to have you saved. I am opening the picture. You can see the picture has been inserted. And now I am going to show you the ClipArt command. ClipArt command is similar to picture command, but the difference is ClipArt command is have two parts. Search for and results should be selected media file types up. You can select you want. I am searching apple. I have to click on go. You can see it is showing the picture of apple. Once I click in the picture, the picture will be inserted in my Word file. You can see the picture has been inserted in my Word file. And now I am going to show you the shapes command. The shapes command is used to insert shapes in your Word file or Word document. So I am going, when you go to shapes, it will open a dialog box of many shapes. You have to select the shape you want to insert and draw it in your Word file. You can see I have drawn a shape, and a new tab, format tab, will appear when you insert a shape. You can format your shape and set colors and many things in your shape. And now I am going to show you what the SmartArt command. So SmartArt command is used to add a specific command or graphic to your Word document. So when you click on SmartArt, it will show a list of SmartArt, and a window of choose a SmartArt graphic will open. You have to select the SmartArt you want to insert and click on OK. You can see the SmartArt I selected is inserted in the Word file. So I am going to tell you what the insert chart commands work. When you click on insert chart, it will open a window of insert chart dialog box. You can see there are many charts. You can select your own which you want to insert in your Word file. I am selecting. You can see when you insert a SmartArt chart in a Word file, it will open Excel and type the formula of the smart chart inserted in your Word file. I am closing Excel. You can see the chart has been inserted. And now I am going to tell you the screenshot command. And now I am going to show you the screenshot command. The screenshot command is used to take a picture of your screen. I am clicking on screen clipping, and once you have clicked on it, it will show a dialog box. It will take you to the window, and once you have selected the part, you have the screenshot. And now I am going to tell you how the header and footer works. When you click on header, it will show some built-in styles of header. I am selecting any. You can see it is inserted, and now I am typing. You can type which word you want. You can see, and when I want to close header and footer, I have to click on this, and you can see it has been closed, and my header is on the top of every page. And now I want to insert the footer to my document. I have to click on insert and go to footer. You can see some built-in footer styles appear. I am selecting anyone. I am adding the footer. You can add date and time. You can select the style you want, and if you wanted to update it automatically, select update automatically and click on OK. You can see that it is inserted, and you want the time, you have to click on it and select time. You can see the time has also inserted, and I want to close header and footer. I have to click on this, and you can see footer and header appears on every bottom and top of the page. So in this video I tell you about how you can use find and replace, table, picture, ClipArt, shapes, SmartArt, chart, screenshot, header and footer feature in MS Word 2010. And this is about today's video. I hope you will like my video, share it to your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.